What's up guys, welcome back to a new vlog of TripAdvisor. In today's video, let's see how to take portrait photos using window shield.
If you don't have window shield at home, you can make a similar pattern using cardboard. You need to cut the cardboard like this, similar to a zebra line. At first you can draw the lines using pencil and scale, then you can start cutting, and after that you can remove the alternative line. The idea of these photography techniques is to show this cardboard or window shield in front of sunlight and to take the photos using the shades. For everyone, you can try this portrait photography technique. You can also get the help of somebody else to hold the cardboard. Use the portrait mode of your camera, make sure the focus is correct, and take random shots. Similarly, you can also try to take photos using vessels with holes. You can check that video using the links mentioned in the description. It's better to take these kind of photos during evening where you'll get good sunlight. Try with different angles and different poses to get good photos. Let me know your feedback after trying these photography techniques in the comment section below. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.